Hi, this is Charlie with Cousins Fitness and Dance. I'm excited to talk to you today about our ballet and modern dance program for kids. We have a program from ages 3 to 7 and another program from ages 8 to 12. While teaching dance is a very important part of the program, teaching them how to properly move their bodies and the right techniques, we believe that instilling life skills is even more important. If we can teach our students how to control themselves, what discipline is, what focus is, it will benefit them in the future. I have a personal obligation to help the youth in our area, and I believe that if we instill these life skills, that will help them as they grow up into their teenage years and into their adult years as well. If you're interested in our program, please fill out the information on the right side of the screen. We will have you in for a consultation. We give you a tour of our facility, and we sit down with you and get to know you. We'd like to know what you would like to see your child get out of this program. Do they have problems focusing? Do they have problems with discipline? Is it just a sport that you would like to get them involved in? We'd like to know. We personalize our program as much as we possibly can for you, and we want to see your child succeed at life. So feel free to get a hold of us. I'd be happy to sit down and talk with you. Thank you and have a good day.